This is a presentation on Ohm's Law, voltage, current and resistance. There's some questions and answers at the end, and you'll find some further resources if you follow the link below. First of all, the definitions. Potential difference is measured in volts. It's the work done or energy transferred by each coulomb of charge as it passes through a device. It's written as V in an equation. 1 volt is 1 joule per coulomb. Current is measured in amps. It's the rate of flow of charge or coulombs per second passing a point in the circuit. A current of 1 amp will flow when 1 coulomb of charge passes a point in 1 second. Current is I in a equation. Resistance is measured in ohms, which is that little bridge symbol. It's a measure of how difficult it is for a current to flow through a device. We get the equation from Ohm's law. Resistance is voltage divided by current, which can be rearranged to V equals I times R, perhaps the easiest way of remembering the equation, and I equals V over R. Just to write this one in the same form, R equals V over I. So they're all written there. Okay, on with some questions then. If you'd like to pause now and have a go at the questions first, please do. Otherwise, I'll carry on. A current of 3 amps flows through a car radio. The voltage is 12 volts. What is the resistance? So this is just R equals V over I. Put the numbers in. We get 12 divided by 3, which equals 4 amps. Nice simple one to start with. 1 for the equation, 1 for the substitution, 1 mark for the numerical answer, and 1 mark available there for the units. Next one, a current of 2.7 amps flows through a TV, which has a resistance of 85 ohms. What is the voltage, and could the TV be powered by mains electricity in the UK? So if you don't know, mains electricity in the UK has an RMS value of 230 volts. So let's have a go at this next question then. We need the voltage. So V equals I times R, which equals 2.7 times 85. 2.7 times 85. I'm actually going to need a calculator right now. 2.7 times 85 on my calculator. That equals 229.5 volts. So there's my answer. Or is it? Let's check. That's to 2 significant figures. And the amps is 2 significant figures as well. So my answer needs to be to 2 significant figures. So when I round this up, it becomes 230 volts. So the answer is yes, it could be powered by UK mains. Where are the marks? Well, it says 5 marks available. So 1 for the equation, 1 for the substitution, 1 for the correct answer, 1 for the units, and then 1 for knowing that it's powered by UK mains. Next question then. The voltage across a bulb is 230 volts. Well, that's the same as the UK mains. It's rated at 2000 ohms. What's the current through the lamp? So now we need the equation for current. I equals V over R, which equals 230 divided by 2000. So again, I need to reach for my calculator. 230 divided by 2000 is 0.115 amps. Again, I need to check back and make sure I'm not quoting to a difference, and I can't tell what that number is, the 2000, but this one is definitely to 2 significant figures. So rounding that to 2 significant figures, I get 0.12 amps to two significant figures. And there's my answer. Marks 1 for the equation, 1 for the substitution, 1 for the answer, 1 for the units. So that one's out of 4. I hope you found this presentation useful and took part and had a go at the questions. If you need any further questions, there's a link down there that you can follow to test teaching resources, and please press like.